Hello, can you hear me? I'm Nico Vito. I was a classmate of Gabi all the way from the grade school, and we have been friends ever since. I will read two poems and also introduce Gabi's mentor and my mentor as well, Melinda Santos. So, two poems inspired by two pieces of art. The first one is entitled To Peter About His Chair. Cathedra Petri by Jean Lorenzo Bernini.
Hello?
I'll repeat the title. To Peter About His Chair, Cathedra Petri by Jean Lorenzo Bernini. Praise our Father that you never sat on it. Bronze throne between Corinthian pillars. Beneath ecstatic seraphs perched on clouds, pierced with shafts of golden light. How apt it is a monument to the threefold salvaging of your wrong when your truest friend was about to die. Right it is to see you frightened in a fishing boat, suddenly lashed by rain, startling and screaming at him, snoring soundly, tired from talking about leafy shades rising, spreading from the lidless seas. Easy to sway by a change of weather, or by hearing the rooster's waking call, you were simple as wooden beams that could be nailed into a kind of tree. If I stood by you, I who missed masses, topsy-turvy after parting with my lover, I could conjure my fickleness as salvageable per omnia secula seculorum. The last line in Latin is world without end. So that's the way we usually end traditional prayers. The second poem is entitled Chalk Art. Knowing this will be washed away, he persists in retracing his memory. Moon's full watch, unlidded by clouds, bays huge waves brash lunch, sea foam tonguing, crushing the stones. His lover's body conjured to fade with the wooden passing of souls. So he scrapes chalk onto boardwalk. Sweat soaks tangles of his hair, dissolves dust lines, cleanses wrinkled fingertips, while I, loving him, write this. Thank you.